Hello, dear Homely members and investors. Welcome to Homely Market World. Today is December the 2nd. This is MG from Homely Chat. Today we'll show you this topic and which you have know the news already. The UK already approved the Pfizer and BIOTECH vaccine and they will be used in next week. So how does the news to influence the vaccine and vaccine counters and the vaccine stimulated the economic recovery counters? Okay, so okay, so this is a topic, and of course, this video is beautiful study and discussion. Not for co-buy and sell. Everybody need to trade with your own risk. Okay, we will also take a look about the whole index today and about the audit sector, and then we will take a look about the vaccine counters. So this is monthly chart of KOCI, and we know that the whole price, the whole market is still in sideways, between 1516 and 1618. And today also not so strong, and now in short term, the index already formed a short-term triumph pattern. It means that there is no strong sector to driven up the index to break out the resistance. Or many recovery concept index or sector starts, but they're not so strong enough for to driven up. So you will be in this big volatile. And in shorter, we still can set yesterday's young candle half price 1598.90 as the short-term support. Okay, this is the index. And let's take a look at the sector. Okay, the sector. So the sector today actually slightly sorry. Excuse me. Not this one. Okay, I will call out. So this is a sector today, and we know that technology bounced back a little bit with 1.6% up, but it's not so strong, right? And energy corrects again, drop to 1.8% after yesterday's big driving up. But all the other sectors is just mixed, not so strong. Okay, not so strong. But we still know that today's roller coaster market, so it still not influence the strong counters. Okay, not influence the strong counters. So in my dating in my updating during the daytime, I have also shared with you. Okay, support level and resistance level, and also the sector. Oil price is influenced by the OPEC. The decision on whether to extend the production cuts will postpone to Thursday. So still a lot of uncertainty here. But actually, now the vaccine news already stimulates, and it's good for the energy. Okay, for the energy counters. You know, vaccine news will give hope, okay, of the all the economy. So the economy will also lead the materials, especially the oil, to offer supply in the market. And also analyze the trend, the individual shares, the operation strategy, and also the individual stocks. Okay, for example, P Energy and the Top Glove, and then Mass Steel. But of course, this analysis of the individual shares is not for recommendation, because you see, P Energy and the Top Glove is not so good today. It's just consulted by many by many investors. So I analyze here. And also the MA steel are also material stocks, which we have mentioned before a few times in my video. And it's also very strong rally, including today's top gainer, the LS steel, also belongs to the material counters, material sectors. So it's also a very strong one, strong sector. So if you want to receive the updating during the trading day, you can WhatsApp Homely Lunch to 011 1652792. Okay, you can WhatsApp Homely Lunch to 011 1652792. And then let's take a look about the vaccine, about the vaccine counters. We need to combine with the technical side. News is just a news. Before, I also recorded vaccine videos before and say that not all the vaccine counters increase, right? So we need to combine only the counters with big bankers inside, then can fly. Otherwise, it's also just a low chance there. And of course, Malaysia don't produce the vaccine, but so far, the US, UK, and Russia and China, right, produce the vaccine. But actually, we also have some vaccine-related counters which will buy the vaccine from others, right? Buy the vaccine from others. Okay, so we can take a look about the vaccine counters here first. Vaccine counters. So I have put the 11 counters here. Number one is solution. Solution is always very strong, right? Because these counters in uptrend also fully controlled by the bankers here. And we can see here, right, the banker chips are from here. This is November the 5th. No banker, no retailer. The green bar, the green chips is locked retailer, no retailer anymore. And the banker chips later on control the counter. So from November the 6th till now, you see very strong. So we can also calculate from this day. From this day till now, you see 19 days or less than 1 month, you have 96% already. That is really good one. Okay, that is really good one. And it's Warren also very strong. Okay, this is Warren. Warren also very strong. So from today, from here, November the 6th, already control the counter. Banker chips already control the share. And the 19 days also 136%. So it's very good, right? So if you didn't make so much, you can also follow because banker chips still remains. But I'm not recommending. I just share the method. If you have other similar pattern, you can also consider, no problem. Of course, you also need to know when to sell. We can go to the mini chart, right? For example, 0093. And we can see the sell point is when the red bar turns to green. Okay, this is hourly chart. Green bar turns to, the red bar turns to green, but you can sell. And then green bar turns to red again is your buy point again. Okay, so you see today I have a buy point. Yesterday 10 o'clock. Okay, here is the time. Yesterday 10 o'clock is a buy point, and until now it's short term. For example, short term, you also have 12%. That is not better one, right? So we also have members have this counter, right? Warren, he have 45% already. Also, only few days already, right? Not much, but actually it's a good profit compared to many of others investors, right? So you see, fast reaction in the current market is very important. Some other, excuse me, some other investors still locked in glove counters or haven't get get out of the trap. So it's really important for you to react fast by the change of the market. Okay, and also other counters, for example, okay, next one, this is uh, Bin Tai also very strong. Bank chips have controlled 4 days ago with bank chips 76%. Till today, the bank chips 81%. But it's not so strong, like solution because it also have some resistance by the previous high. Trying to break out, but haven't. But actually, is can considered as a stimulation. Okay, stimulation. So it's a good sign, but also need to listen to the market whether when have a buy point that you can enter. For example, we see the hourly chart. Hourly chart is still green color. You wait when the green color turns to red, okay? But now it's a kind of correction, the sideways. So you can also wait until you break up this price. The price here is 87, okay? If you break out the 87, it's also a chance to enter again. Okay, then another Bintai is a cooperation with the US. Okay, so now their fees already increased 3 to 7% before the market open already. So actually this counter to see whether it will also boom up, okay, by this good vaccine news. But if from analyze of the year before, you see the regularity is quite slow, quite slow. But recently, it's also slow, but already have many banker chips inside, so it's a good sign. Due Pharma also have bank tips, but still very slowly, 70%, right? 70%. Okay, it's a safe counter. Just lead another stimulate news to stimulate. Okay, to accelerate. Contra, no big chance. Bank tips only 1%. Pharmaliga, okay, similar as Due Pharma, right? Bank tips also 56% is just inside way now. And the boosted are not good. And the Epic X is a so la short-term chance. HOA is also vaccine related counter, but actually bank tips only 18%. And also in sideway now, right? Only have a chance when the bank tips can push up again. And then here we'll break up the resistance. Low wellness. The bank tips keep decreasing. Be careful, right? Be careful. YSPO. No bankers. This one Kanger. Banker bankers keep decreasing. Many people trust this counter. Have some good news. But actually it's too volatile. Too volatile. Only short-term chance here. Okay, short-term chance here. And you can see when you do short-term, you know the bank tip is just small. So small capital short-term, no big problem. Until the bank chips can move up again, push up, come back again. Okay, that is the vaccine counter. So basically, now the solution is very good trend. Bintai is a stimulation, right? And the Due Pharma and the Formatica also good trend, but others no big chance currently. And we see the then we see the recovery counter. For example, the actually the materials counter we can call out in so far we don't have this sector in the video but we can find it in the industrial sector. Okay, many of them is belongs to the industrial, so we can see that some of them. Okay, not here, sorry. We can call out the industrial. Okay, this is industrial counters. So we can also see the top gainers, right? See what's happened inside because have many good concepts in this industrial. And before we also say industrial sector is quite strong throughout all the recovery counters, economic recovery counters. Because why? They have materials inside. Okay, materials inside. For example, the steel, right? The steel, and also other materials. This is important for the economy recovery, and also the airport, the airline counters also belongs to the industry. So it's really potential one. It's really potential sector, but you also need to find the right sector. That's why you need the software to filter the strong sector, right? So we see number one is leader still holding. You see very strong today are number one top gainers also. And before it boom up, have banker chips already. And actually, we also have filter out this counter with the star filter. 2 days ago, our master teach us their method. Okay, yesterday, one of my member filtered this counter. You see, counter inside. So he bought today. Actually, he bought today, and we can see have very good feedback. I have very good returns. One day got 26%, right? So he say he used the star come out from master. And he bought in the 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart, the green buttons, red bar, touch buy, and then one day, 26%. Enough already, right? Enough, okay? So this is the surprise. This is a result of the difference, whether you have software or you don't have the software, right? And also others, for example, South Steel, also materials sector. This counter also very strong. Few days ago, the banker tips already control, right? Already control. And also Angel, also material sector. And we also have members have this counter already, 50% already, right? Because banker tips also recently just control the counter. This is November 26, okay, the bank chips just push up. So from this day till now, we can just calculate, right? Calculate 5 days, you have 48% already. So enough already, right? So this bank, this member also just have 50%, okay, 50%. And we can also see many other industry are also very strong. So industry counter is very worthy to pay attention, but you need to by VS also very good perform. You see, so strong. It's also pattern of Dragon returns, right? Dragon returns very strong. Today have 8.6% off, so very strong. So this is a industrial, and also the transportation. You can see the some vaccine provider uh, transportation. For example, dual name. Dual name is one of the counter, and you see the bank chips also inside. Now today a little bit correction, but actually bank chips still have 83%, 70% is still a safe correction. All right, and also the Tesco, also the vaccine provider, transportation provider, right? Also strong control by the bankers, just short-term correction, right? But currently in this correction, bank chips still remain. And also DKSH, this one also, but this one is not so strong. But the good thing is that also no retailers, bank chips accumulation need to break up the previous high. Okay, later on have bigger chance. So other transportation also can pay attention because it's also recovery concept. And then the financial and the what is that? Consumer. For example, the Patini so strong, right? Already controlled by the bankers already, and also Patini have their own on-site store, right? Have their store also standing above the white line, and another counter Aeon today are no retailer anymore. Okay, first day bank chips are 65%, zero retailer, also very potential. But of course, I'm not recommending the counters. You only have the software, then you know when to buy and when to take your profit. Okay, that is very important because if you only buy the shares directly, without the method, it's hard for you to lock the profit. Okay, you see hourly chart. This is when the green turn to red. This is today 10 o'clock, right? Today 10 o'clock. So if you buy 7% is yours already. Okay, so software is very important. Patini, and also some technology counters. Before we also share this counter DNO, right? Very strong. So people afraid to buy because he said too high. I say you bank chips inside, there's no high to say. Okay, you just hold. As long as the bankers remains, no problem, right? You see here, already a lot of people say too high. Here, then another wave, people say too high, but we just still can buy. One of my member buy here now have 50% already. Okay, you see 56%, right? So this is all the vaccine related concept widely to say because compared to the vaccine counters, you see we invest for the future. Which counter is more worth to invest? Vaccine counters after you released already, actually the value is not so big because we don't have the second vaccine 19, right? Vaccine 19. So currently don't have a big value to invest. But I'm not saying that no chance. I just say compared to the other economic recovery countries, you see many of them have a good company, have a very strong foundation, fundamental, and it just in the undervalued area already, right? So you need to it's best time or it's a very good time for you to bottom catch like that. So many people will have a bigger hope, okay, to bottom catch kind of that shares. So that's why you also need to focus to pay attention to the related recovery, economic recovery concept counters. Okay, so that's almost all for my today's sharing a little bit much today. Don't remember to leave your feedback, okay, about today's content, and you also learn with all the audios of my video. And of course, if you want to learn more details about home software, we have preview class. And if you want to join my WhatsApp broadcast, you can also WhatsApp me 011 1652792 011 1652792. And yeah, so thanks for your watching. And if you can learn something from today's video, give me a like and then comment below the video. Thank you. And if you want to receive the upcoming videos, you can subscribe the channel and turn on the bell. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.